Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this modern tall clear glass flower vase. I was in a desperate need for a flower vase that was just super simple but pretty. This has like a boho effect to it, and this is perfect for a centerpiece or to put it in your room, in your bathroom, and it comes with this adorable note which is perfect for a gift, and I just absolutely loved how it looked in my bathroom. I feel like it's the perfect classy flower vase. It is made out of this very durable glass that it's pretty much unbreakable, so it's this thicker body which is great to prevent any kind of accidents, and this just gives this modern vibe that I absolutely loved. I feel like this is the perfect flower vase for every home, and I feel like the little note, it's super cute for any kind of gift, and I mean, who doesn't love flowers? So I absolutely loved this flower vase. I absolutely also loved the quality. I love the very thick glass that's pretty much really thick, so it's very hard to break, which I really appreciate. So if you're looking for a flower vase, I would definitely recommend this one.